This is Project Booster, an E.C.D custom 110 built to our client's exact specification. Booster is painted in full gloss Epsom green with black accents all round. Booster sits on our very own 20-inch E.C.D custom wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a wide body kit, 6-point roll cage with additional luggage rack, a rear access ladder, 4 LED square spot lamps, a classic front bumper, and E.C.D custom steering guard. Inside, Booster features a black headliner, Momo cork steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, 2 Corbeau front and mid-row seats, with 2 forward-facing seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single-stitch diamond square Porsche Napa leather stitched together in grey. Booster is powered by our LT4 650 horsepower engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. The dual crosshair exhaust system helps this truck shout a little, bring the 650 horsepower beast to a stop on a dime. This 110 also features an array of modern touches such as Alpine touchscreen stereo with Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.